Welcome to Dr. Jester Rants, and I'm gonna rant or probably celebrate this. Elon Musk, he tweets, "The bird is free. Let the good times roll." Yeah, this is awesome. Elon Musk finally got to Twitter. But before I go and talk about it, do not forget to check out my book. It's available on Amazon. Brotherhood of the Revenants. You get the print edition. You get drawings on multiple pages like this. And you get... it'd be easier if I could actually just mark the pages, but drawings like this. But on the ebook version, you also get these drawings too, so there's that. Don't forget to check it out. It's Lovecraftian horror. Perfect gift for this Halloween. Or for you to read. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Right, with that being said, I probably need to make a video about this and insert here. It'll be easier, don't you think? Right, where was I? Oh, right. Let the good times roll. But let's go and cover the news. From the New York Times, Musk set to begin firing Twitter's top executives. Mr. Parag something has been fired. And a bitch that was responsible for a lot of censorship. The bitch who censored everybody, regardless... Oh, wait, she actually only censored conservatives. The other type of stuff, shell out. She cried. She cried a lot on the meeting that she was responsible. She was the chief censor of Twitter. And these are the people celebrating her firing. Isn't it beautiful? Here is one who apparently do not know the difference between your and your. You're right. Very interesting day indeed. You have a new boss. How did your day go? I assume not very good. I love it. Fuck you, fat bitch. Okay, she's not that fat, but fuck you, cunt. There you go. Delicious. A lot of people also said, "You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. You're fired, bitch. There goes down the witch, the bitch. Bye." And some even wrote, "Bye, Felicia, over here. Bye, Felicia." You're fired. You're fired. You're gone. You're done. And the memes have been glorious. Here is one. Whoopsie daisy. You're all fired. Yeah, time to celebrate. Celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Whee! You did it. This one is better. You did it, you crazy son of a bitch. The bird is finally freed, as Elon Musk puts it. But here it is, another funny bit that just came out. Right. Breaking, Elon Musk announces Twitter Content Moderation Council ahead of lifting permabans. Quote, "No major content decision or account restatements will happen before that council convenes." End quote. Wrote Musk, suggesting that those with lifelong bans, like the former US cannot say Tangerine Man, will have to wait a while longer before they can rejoin the platform. But the interesting bit here that he actually says is that it's going to be a diverse on thought. Numerous conservative personalities, including also the other guy that I cannot mention because YouTube is not a free platform. I cannot say that one either. Mind your content decision country statement. Now we'll wait a while. The formation of a new moderation council. Commons platform seeks to revive itself as a free speech platform. It says, well, let me just point this out. Do you remember Media Matters? You know, the smearing machine, the smearing news station who likes to smear every single person right of Stalin. If anyone disagree with Stalin, they would smear them with fake news. Do you know Media Matters? Are you aware of them? I'm pretty sure you are. But here we are, the head honcho of Media Matters. I just when advertisers should engage the Musk here. As the more reason for the major players to make it crystal clear that they will walk if Musk follows through with his promises to roll back brand safety and community safeguards. Why did he say that? Well, take a look at what Elon Musk actually said on his tweet. Twitter will be forming a content moderation council with widely diverse viewpoints. There you go. He cannot abide, he cannot accept that there will be people with diverse viewpoints. For him, this is bad. This is wrong. He only accepts homogeneous thought and full control like a good damn Stalin cock-sucking moron that he is. Well, and then you already know what the rest he said. No major decisions, account restatements will happen before council convenes. So it will take a slight while to see certain people come back, but still, it's epic sauce. But the most interesting bit was seeing Media Matters getting triggered over this, because apparently since they cannot accept viewpoints right of Stalin, they prefer to censor people. Well, that's what socialists do. Censorship. They love censorship. From Nazi Germany to communist Russia. Even today's Russia, really. Democrats and these people are all the same. On that goddamn... I was gonna say miserable hell, but... I'm gonna say, on that wonderfully amazing hell, have a great fucking night, especially because... I forgot the name of the bitch. Where is the bitch? Bitch, where are you? Vijaya Gadde. She cried. I'm gonna celebrate. Elon Musk, debug these people. They fucking deserve it. They all deserve it. Yeah.